Hey guys, it's Mike here with Growing Indoors 365. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Today is Saturday, July 10th. I have something really cool and special to show you here. Check it out. We have a ton of new little baby plants that are about to happen here. Awesome. I've been harvesting these I've been growing these for maybe the next last 2 weeks. And I have all of this to consume the remainder of the weekend. Today's a beautiful Saturday. Super excited to make a delicious salad with the remaining lettuce that I currently have. Just wanted to check in real quick. I'm going to make another video in the next couple of days basically putting all these little guys into the top reservoirs after I clean this out. Now these are the new seeds that I actually got. And they look okay. I think one of the problems is, as you can see here, they're a bit leggy. If you guys could tell. Alright, they're a bit leggy. I don't love a leggy lettuce head, okay? It has its own issues, but in this case, I think they're still salvageable. I think I could still get them to grow well. It only shows, after I took a look at the bottom of these, for 2 weeks I should be seeing a little bit more of a root system than I'm seeing here now. Let's see here. Sorry about the noise, guys. If you're hearing a noise, I have some construction work getting done outside my house, and there's a buzzing noise. Hopefully it's not capturing too much into the camera. But as you can see here, this is where we are now. And again, this is from my old grow. This lettuce is still looking great. This is like a perfect piece of lettuce for if you wanted to do maybe a burger and wrap your burger in the lettuce. That's one of my favorite things to do. I really like doing it, and you know, just kind of steer clear from the bread, from the carbs. That's just how I'm doing it these days. Hit the like button. Give me the thumbs up down below if you're trying to cut out the carbs, or give me the thumbs up button if you're increasing your carb load now. Also, what I wanted to do, guys, I'm actually working on some brand new logos for Growing Indoors 365. Super excited about it. Hoping to come out with some cool shirts, some cool hats, just silly stuff like even lighters, pens, sweatshirts. I'm super excited. I'm working with a couple people about some cool logos. Actually, let me show you this logo right here. Tell me what you think about this. Leave a comment down below if you like this logo. This is one that we're going to be using you know, across the social media spectrum right now, on Facebook, on YouTube. I'm not really on any other platform at this point in time, but that's really what I'm going to be doing. So check that logo out. Let me know what you think. I have 2 logos variations right now, but I'm going to have the guy kind of work on some text. I was really just focused on like a plant that's based in water, that's showing a beautiful root system. That's what, you know, that's what we do here. That's what hydroponics are all about. And I think the logo is really, really cool, and I'm really excited to just continue incorporating it into different elements. I'm, you know, always wanted to make my own reservoirs, put a sticker that this was, you know, done by me at Growing Indoors 365. So little things like that I really want to do. I'm trying to find time for. So pretty excited about that stuff. But let me know what you think again. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Also down below at the bottom of the video, you'll notice everything that I currently have here to maintain my grow: lights, shelving, reservoirs, all the necessary grow information, like these little pods here, this little tray here. You gotta have your pump. You need your fan. If you want, you could have your little temperature thing to make sure that, you know, your tent's keeping a proper temperature. This way you don't get any type of mold spores or anything like that, a certain type of condensation. You got to watch out for all that, especially lights. You need some good T5 lights. That's what I run right there, and the links are down below. Again, guys, this is just a quick check-in. I just want to make a video because I haven't made one in quite a bit, but I'm coming back in the next couple days and showing you what's going on with these as soon as I get them into the bins. All right? Hey, enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll talk to you guys soon.